Hello students, today we are going to do practice set 1.4 of linear equations in two variables. We'll study some equations which are not linear equations in two variables, but they can be reduced to the form of linear equation in two variables. Means we can convert them into linear equation in two variables. For example, suppose the equations 4 upon x plus y upon y is equal to 7 and 3 upon x plus 4 upon y is equal to 5. So you can see these are not linear equation in two variables, as if we take LCM of these two. So this becomes xy, this xy goes multiply over here. I'll show xy. So it is 4y plus 5x is equal to 7. So it will be cross multiply. So it becomes 7xy. Now degree becomes 2. So it is not a linear equation in two variables. But we can convert them into linear equation in two variables. How? So what we'll do? We can write this equation as 4 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 7, and write this one as 3 into 1 upon x plus 4 into 1 upon y is equal to 5. Now we can put 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. So now it becomes 4a plus 5b is equal to 7, and this becomes 3a plus 4b is equal to 5. Now we can see these are linear equations in two variables. Now we'll solve them. So we can solve them by using any method, by graphical method, by using substitution method, by elimination method, or Cramer's rule. So here we'll use the elimination method. Equate the coefficient, multiply it with 3, multiply it with 4. So coefficients become equal. So we see coefficients are equal and signs are same. Right, coefficient same, sign same. So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract these equations. So while subtracting, we change sign. 12a minus 12 is 0, 15 minus 16 minus 1b, 21 minus 20 is 1. So b comes out to be minus 1. Right, now put b is equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. So first equation will put 4a plus 5 into minus 1 is equal to 7. So 4a minus 5 is equal to 7. 4a is equal to 7 plus 5. 4a is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 upon 4. So a comes out to be 3. Now again we know that 1 upon x was a and 1 upon y was b. Because our equations were in variables x and y, so ultimately we have to find the answer for x and y. So we'll put 1 upon x is equal to 3 and 1 upon y is equal to minus 1. Now invert them. X is equal to 1 by 3 and y is equal to minus 1 only. So the solution is 1 by 3 and minus 1. Question is 4 upon x minus y plus 1 upon x plus y is equal to 3, and second is 2 upon x minus y minus 3 upon x plus y is equal to 5. We can write 4 into 1 upon x minus y plus 1 into 1 upon x plus y is equal to 3. Similarly, we can write this equation also. So what we'll do, put 1 upon x minus y is equal to a and 1 upon x plus y is equal to b. So what we get? 4a plus 1b is equal to 3. Here what we get? 2a minus 3b is equal to 5. Now we'll take it as 1, equation this as 2. Equate the coefficients. See, for equating coefficients in this equation, what we can do? We can simply multiply this equation by 1 and this equation by 2. Because this way this coefficient of a will remain 4 and here it will become 4. So we can do this way also. 4a plus 1b is equal to 3. Otherwise you can multiply it with 2 or this way 4. So 4a minus 6b is equal to 10. So we have equated coefficients, signs are same, so we will subtract. 4a minus 4a 0. 7b is equal to minus 7. So b comes out to be minus 1. Put this b is equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. 4a plus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 3. So it becomes 4a minus 1 is equal to 3. Take this on RHS. 3 plus 1, 4a is equal to 4. So a is equal to 1. But now 1 upon x minus y is equal to a and 1 upon x plus y is equal to b. Inverse x minus y is equal to a and x plus y is equal to b. So it becomes x minus y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to minus 1. So we'll solve these two equations now for values of x and y. Now we'll take it as fifth equation. This is sixth equation. So simply we will add these equation 5 plus 6. So 2x plus x, 2x minus y plus y is 0 and 1 minus 1 is equal to also 0. So x comes out to be 0. Now put x is equal to 0 in equation number 5. So 0 minus y is equal to 1. So y is equal to minus 1. So the solution is 0 and minus 1. We can solve these equations by Cramer's rule also or graphical method also. Now there is an activity given on page number 19. We'll solve that activity. See, to solve the given equation, fill in the box suitably. 5 upon x minus 1, 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2, and this way 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. So they have replaced 1 upon x minus 1 by m. So this becomes 5m. Here it is 1n is equal to 2, and this equation is already given. So new equations on solving, these we have get, and by solving these two we have to get value of m and n. So let us solve them. Here it is 1, here it is 3. So it will be easy to solve. So multiply with 3, multiply it with 1. So what we get, 15m plus 3n is equal to 6. And here 6m minus 3n is equal to 1. So you see, coefficients are same but signs are different. So simply we will add these equations. So 15 plus 6 is 21m. 3 minus 3 0, 6 plus 1 7. So m comes out to be 7 upon 21. So m is equal to 1 by 3. So put this m is equal to 1 by 3 in equation number. I'll deliberately put in 2 because if I put m is equal to 1 by 3, this 6 will be cut with that. So 6 into 1 by 3 minus 3n is equal to 1. 3 2s are 6. So 2 minus 3n is equal to 1 minus 3n is equal to 1 minus 2. So minus 3n is equal to minus 1. N is also equal to 1 by 3. So both values are 1 by 3. So we'll put these values over here. M 1 by 3 and n also 1 by 3. Now replacing the values, here 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Here 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have to solve these for x and y. Now simply cross multiply. So it becomes 3 is equal to x minus 1 and it becomes 3 is equal to y minus 2. So write these equations, take these values over here. 3 plus 1 is equal to x and here 3 plus 2 is equal to y. So x comes out to be 4 and y comes out to be 5. So answers are x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5, 4 and 5. Practice set 1.4. Question number 1. 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. So it becomes 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. Here 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. As we can write them as this way. So that's why it has come like this. Right? 8a 5b. So solve these one. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. We'll solve them. So by solving them, what we get? Again, you can see for equating the coefficient, simply multiply it with 4 and it with 1 because it will become 8. So it becomes 8a minus 12b is equal to 60 and here it becomes 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. So coefficients are same, signs are same, so subtract them. So minus minus plus minus 17b is equal to minus 17. B is equal to minus 17 upon minus 17 which is equal to 1. Put b is equal to 1 in equation number 1. 2a minus 3 into 1 is equal to 15. 2a minus 3 is equal to 15. So it becomes 18. 15 plus 3. So A comes out to be 18 upon 2, which is equal to 9. So we have found the value of A and value of B. Now we know that 1 upon x is equal to A and 1 upon y is equal to B. So 1 upon x is equal to 9 and 1 upon y is equal to 1. So inverting, we get x is equal to 1 upon 9 and y is equal to 1. So the solution is 1 by 9 and 1. Second one, put 1 upon x plus y is equal to A and 1 upon x minus y is equal to B. So what we get? 10A plus 2B is equal to 4, and here 15A minus 5B is equal to minus 2, equation number 1 and equation number 2. So let us solve this by Cramer's rule, because we can solve this by that method also. So for using by Cramer's rules, we have to find determinant. This way our practice will be done. Coefficients of the variables. So we will multiply starting from the right hand corner. 10 into minus 5 minus 15 into 2. So what we get? Minus 50 minus 30. So it is minus 80. So let us find D of A. So D of A will be 4 and minus 2, 2 and minus 5. Multiply again, 4 into minus 5 minus minus 2 into 2. So minus 20 plus it becomes 4. So it is minus 16. Then we have to find D, determinant of B. For that, 10, 15, 4 and minus 2. Do you remember? Hide the value of B, leaving next one, start from here. So 10 into minus 2 minus 4 into 15. So it is minus 20 minus 60, which is equal to minus 80. A is equal to dA upon D and B is equal to dB upon D. So A comes out to be minus 16 upon minus 80. So A is equal to 1 upon 5, and here B is equal to minus 80 upon minus 80. B comes out to be 1. But we know that 1 upon x plus y is equal to A and 1 upon x minus y is equal to B. So it becomes 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 by 5. Cross multiply, phi is equal to x plus y. Same way here, 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1. Cross multiply, x minus y is equal to 1. Now we'll write these equations separately. X minus y is equal to 1, equation number 3 and 4. See, here signs are different. We'll simply add 3 plus 4. So it becomes x plus x 2x, y minus y 0, 5 plus 1 6. So x comes out to be 3. Put x is equal to 3 in equation number 3. So 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus 3, y is equal to 2. So the solution is and 2. These are the solutions. So now next one, question number 3. Put 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to A and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to B. Now it becomes 27A plus 31B is equal to 85. 31A plus 27B is equal to 89. Now if you remember, these are the question we did previously in exercise 1.1 also. If the coefficients are interchanged, here see, here 27 is coefficient of A and here it is of B. Here it is of B and here it is of A. So coefficients are interchanged. How do we solve this? We add these equations 1. Add 1 and 2. 58A plus 58B is equal to 174. So take 58 common. 58A plus B is equal to 174. Otherwise we can write 58 into 3. So 174 I'll write for your convenience. A plus B is equal to 174 upon 58. So A plus B comes out to be 3. Equation number 3. Now simply subtract them. Subtract. So when we subtract them, what do we get? Minus 4A plus 4B is equal to minus 4. So take minus 4 common. So it becomes A, sign change of the inside, minus 4. So A minus B is equal to minus 4 upon minus 4. So A minus B is equal to 1, equation number 4. Equation number 3 and 4. So we'll add them because the signs are different of the same coefficients. So it becomes 2a b minus b0 is equal to 4. So a is equal to 2. Put this a is equal to 2 in equation number 3. 2 plus b is equal to 3. B is equal to 3 minus 2. B is equal to 1. But we know that 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. So now it has become 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2 and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 1. Cross multiply. 1 is equal to 2 into x minus 2. Here 1 is equal to 1 into y plus 3. So it is 1 is equal to 2x minus 4. 1 is equal to y plus 3. Here 2x, take this 4 over here, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 upon 2. And here, if we take this 3 over here, so y is equal to 1 minus 3, y is equal to minus 2. So the solution is 5 upon 2 and minus 2. Last sum of the exercise will do. Put 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. So this simply becomes a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. So here 4 is in the denominator. So multiply each term by 4 or take this 4 over here for multiplication. So I'll simply take this 4 over here. So if I take this 4 over here, this will be multiplied with the whole term. So it becomes 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Equation number 1. Now for equation number 2, if you see, it is of the form 1 upon 2, right, into 1 upon 3x plus y. Right, clearly you can see ये इस फॉर्म में है. तो ये इक्वेशन क्या बन जाएगी जब हम पुट करेंगे, ये इक्वेशन बन जाएगी 1/2. दिस वैल्यू इज a here minus 1/2, this value is b is equal to minus 1 upon 8. What did I say? When there are numbers in the denominator, take LCM, right? So if we take LCM of 2 and 8, we get 8. So multiply each term by 8. So if we multiply each term by 8, we get 8 into 1/2a minus 8 into 1/2b is equal to 8 into minus 1/8. So 2 4s are and 2 4s are. So it becomes 4a minus 4b. 8 get cancel out, minus 1. So this way we have converted them into simple equations. So it is 4a plus 4b is equal to 3 and here 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Equation number 1 and 2. Now you can see coefficients are same. So here signs are different. You can add, otherwise you can subtract also if you want. So should I subtract this time? So I'll subtract 1 minus 2. So when we subtract, signs get changed. Here it is minus, so it becomes plus. 4a minus 4 is 0. It is an 8b is equal to 4. So b is equal to 4 upon 8. So b is equal to 1/2. So put 1/2 in equation number 1. So what we get, 4a plus 4 into 1/2 is equal to 3. So 4a plus 2 is equal to 3. Take this over here. 4a is equal to 1. So a comes out to be 1/4. Now we know, but 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. These are the values which we have put before. So it becomes 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1/4 and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1/2. Simply cross multiply. 4 is equal to 3x plus y and here 2 is equal to 3x minus y. Solving these two, we'll write these equations again, and this is 3x minus y is equal to 2. So I'll write this as equation number 3 and 4. As we can see, coefficients are equal and here signs are different. So simply I will add 3x plus 3x, 6x, y minus y 0, this becomes 6. So x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 in equation number 3. 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 3. So y is also equal to 1. So the solution is 1 and 1. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Share also. I will be uploading such more easy videos.